Well, I missed this thing starting up, but I'll get a video of it. This is the intertherm electric furnace, 16.8 kilowatt, matched with the Goodman straight cool unit right now. Smile! And dog. It's time for the grill to, time for the grill to be cleaned. There's the thermostat. It's also made by Intertherm. And there's one of the air registers. Another one over there. Another one in there. And so on. So yeah, I promise I will get a video of it starting up and or shutting down. Either way. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.